at the end of this video, I will show you how you can get into your Telegram account like this. This is what you're going to be doing. So at the end of this video, this is what you have. So let me uninstall Telegram and reinstall it back. So this trick works for everyone, so make sure to like and subscribe on my YouTube channel, and make sure to watch this video till the end such that you don't miss anything. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing. Let's start the video. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Now in this video I'm going to show you how you can retrieve your Telegram account. As you can see, I have just retrieved mine past that framework, so make sure you like and subscribe. So once you are done, this is how my profile is going to look like. Now as of now, let me go and uninstall Telegram such that you can all see this magic in work. So I'm uninstalling Telegram, and I'm going back to the Google Play Store. Then I'm installing Telegram once again. Then I'm going to, for this you need another phone, which I'm going to another phone. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can sign into your Telegram account. So you'll need two devices for this. Device 1 is already in Telegram, signed in. The new device is not signed into Telegram. As you can see, this here is my account. So first of all, my account is inside this account of my phone, so I'm going to go ahead and log out. 1 minute, I need to go ahead and log out. Okay, logging out. So as you can see, if I log out, I stay with my friend, and here you just have to come and put your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you put in your phone number, which is your 755 32 49. Then you tap login. Yes. Now I'm going to jump over to the next device, whereby in my other device they should have, if it is your first time, they will ask for information like to verify an email with the other phone. So they'll ask for you to verify your email on the other phone. Let me open up the camera app. As you've seen, this was my previous verification of my email. Now when I go back, as I want you guys to see, the Telegram has finished installing from there. As you can see, then you tap on open. Okay, Telegram is opening, so you tap on start. So here you put the same exactly phone number. These you all allow. Or let me type 256. Since I'm in Uganda, you put in your phone number 3249. Then tap continue here. So a message will appear on the screen of the already logged in phone number, or as it, I don't know if it will go automatically because I'm connected on the same Wi-Fi. Let's give it some time. As you can see, they are asking for an email. Now the message has also came, as you can see on the screen. Now if I go back to my Telegram, this is the login message they have actually sent me. Let me check you. It's down here. They have sent my email. Now my email is on my other phone, which I'm going to show you right now. So how, here I slide from the top. Then let me first start the screen recording on this other phone, so that we make it dynamic, make it work more easier. Then I pull from the sides, then I long press here, we drag it up there. Then this would load the, as you can see, our message is here for the verification. So I slide it up there a little bit, then I type the message, which is 476 7. Let me remove it. See, they tell me you have logged in successful. And that's how you get your Telegram on back and running. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for this video. My YouTube channel is still new and growing. Please make sure to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is how you get back into your Telegram. Okay, thank you for everything. Please make sure to like and share with all your friends. Peace. End the recording on this phone, then let me end the recording on this phone as well.